How to make decisions that are in alignment with your highest self. Life is full of choices. Some are small decisions we're not even aware we're making, while others feel like they carry the weight of the world. If you're in the process of making one of those big decisions, here are some tips for navigating it from a heart-centered place. Number 1. Be aware that you have a choice. If you feel helpless or victimized, you may not realize that you're making an unconscious choice. The first step is to make the unconscious choice conscious. For example, if you're unhappy at your job, you may be choosing security over happiness. Recognize that as a choice and remember that you can always change your choice. Number 2. Question your choice. If you've been making a choice, consciously or unconsciously, to do something that doesn't feel good, be sure to ask yourself, why? When you question your choice, you can simply be curious. Stay open. Don't judge yourself. Notice your thoughts. Pay attention to what hurts and what feels good. Don't attach to even finding an answer. Just be curious. Number 3. Ask for help. Once you've surrendered your decision to something larger than your small self, ask for help, be it from the spirit realm or from a trusted therapist or a friend. This guide can hold up the mirror for you and skillfully nudge you towards the decisions that already lies within you. Number 4. Looking for answers in dreams. Often, your unconscious knows the right decision, even if your conscious mind feels confused. Try interpreting your dreams using a dream journal to start to get hints about what your unconscious mind is trying to tell you. Enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and also turn on notification so you never miss our videos. Thank you so much for watching.